Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I will show you how you can log into your Baptist Health account. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. First of all, please proceed towards your comfortable and default web browser. In the search bar URL, you can just search Baptist Employee Login, where you can find a bunch of websites. For now, we will click the third website. After clicking the link, you will jump into this type of interface. In the top right corner, you can see the Sign into My Account option. Click there. You can jump into the login interface where you can put your username and password in the designated field. After that, you can click Login. Congratulations, you are logged into your account. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all so you never miss any updates. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.